Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have recently purchased a 3M Littmann Stethoscope, registering it for warranty is really very important to protect your investments and simplify future repairs or service claims. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on the official Littmann website. When you are here, click on the option of support so that you could land here on this particular page. Now over here, click on the option of warranty and repairs. After doing so, you will be landed on the registration page where you just have to click on this register now button. Now in order to register here, you need to simply provide your product's serial number. So after providing the serial number over here, click on the option of search. Now as soon as you do this, you are going to see your product available in the list. So simply select the product and fill out the warranty registration form. In that, you need to provide your full name, then contact number, then your email address, city and state, purchase details and product serial number again, and you need to upload the invoice as well. Now once all the information is entered correctly, simply submit the registration form. Once approval, your stethoscope will be officially registered under warranty coverage for eligible repairs and replacement services. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.